Hello scholars, how are you all? I hope you are all fine and you have done the work of memorizing the tables till 10 or you can say till 12. Today we are going to see the next topic from our third chapter, that is lattice multiplication. Okay, first we will see what are the properties of multiplication and then we will see the topic. The first property is commutative property. I will have the example first and likewise explain you the property. Okay. So the example says 1935 multiplied by 8 is 15,480. Okay. But when I interchange the position or exchange the number, the answer remains the same. That is, in the multiplication, order of any number doesn't matter, and that is commutative property. Fine. The next property is known as associative property. Associative, as the name suggests, association means group. So I can say that the grouping will not matter. Okay. See, the number is 145 multiplied by 25 and the whole multiplied by 15 is equal to 54,375. But when I regroup the number, that is reassociate, that is 25 and 15 I have put in one group, the answer remains the same. So I can say that when there is a group of 145 and 25 and when there is a group of 25 and 15 multiplied by 145 multiplied by 15 here, all the three numbers are same. See, have a look, but the group is different and the answer remains the same. That is, the order of grouping does not matter, and that is known as associative property. Fine. The third property is distributive property. Here, let's have the example of 14,058 multiplied by 5. And we will have the expanded form of the first number, that is 1,000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 8. And then into 5, that is multiplied by 5 will be as it is. Okay, you remember in the previous video I told that this number 5 is having a chocolate and it will distribute to each and every member. Yes, so that is distributive property, wherein any number is splitted up. Okay, now the 5 will go with 1000 and then it will go with 400, then it will go with 50 and then it will go with 8. Okay, so distributive property particularly means that multiplication facts, that is 1458 can be splitted into sum of multiplication facts. It's splitted up, no? This is distributive property. Fine. The fourth property is identity property. Identity bhulni nahi hai. Okay. So 4773 multiplied by 1, that is 4773. Okay, the number doesn't lose its identity. And the last one is zero property. Any number multiplied by 0 is what? It's 0 only. So that is a zero property. Fine. Now we are going to see the main topic, that is multiplication by lattice method. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 is multiplied by 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 is a multiplicand and 4 is a multiplier. In multiplicand, see students, you have 4 digits, yes, and so we are going to make boxes with 4 boxes as it's 4 digit, no? So we will have 4 boxes with a diagonal or a slant partition. See, slant partition is there, no? We will have 4 such boxes because there is 4 digit in the multiplicand. 1 box, 2 box, 3 box and the 4th box. Okay, so we have 4 columns. 4 box hai na, to 4 columns ho gaya. Column is represented vertically. Okay, and you can remember it by this symbol. This is my imaginary thing. Fine. Now rows are horizontal, columns are vertical, तो rows क्या होंगे? Horizontal. See, rows are horizontal, and you can remember it by this symbol. Again, it's my own creation. Now here we have 4. only 4. The multiplier is only one digit. So we will have only one column, that is one line of the box. This whole is representing the 4. Clear with it? And now we will give each number one box. See, like this way: 4, 3, 2, and then 1. And 4 is for one row. And each box, see, for this 4, every box is divided into two parts. The top part is known for tens and the lower part is known as ones. Okay, the green section is 1. Now, for this 4 and this 4, this box is there. For 4 and 3, the second box is there. For 4 and 2, the third box is there. And for 4 and 1, the fourth box is there. Okay. And each box, upar wala is tens, niche wala is ones. Okay. Now we will do multiplication. See, 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. 6 is in the ones place. So 6 will go in the ones place. 1 is in the tens place. 1 will go in the tens place. Upar wala tens hai na, niche wala ones hai. Now 4 threes are, this is over. Now look in the second box. It will have 4 into 3. So 4 multiplied by 3, 12. 2 in the ones place, 1 in the tens place. Now the third box. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So 8 in the ones place, 0 in the tens place. 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. So 4 in the ones place. 0, if you write it in the tens place, it's okay. Okay. So my answer will be 4, 8, 2, 6. Yes? No, it will not be my answer. The multiplication is not over. You remember, no, students, in the column multiplication where you do place value chart, what you do? First you multiply. Yes? And then what you do? You do addition. Yes. Here also we will do the same thing. Now we will have to do addition. Okay? See, likewise. 6 is 6. 1 plus 2 will give me 3. 1 plus 8 will give me 9. And 0 plus 4 will give me 4. So my answer is, here also 0 you can write. But my answer will be 4936. Clear? So 1, 2, 3, 4 multiplied by 4 will give me 4936. Clear with it? Okay, let's solve another example. It will be easier for you. I have taken it from the exercise number 3.1 and that's 3a. Okay, multiply 4531 into by 8. That is lattice method se karna hai. Okay, so remember students that 4531 is a multiplicand and 8 is a multiplier. Multiplicand is having 4 digits. So we will have 4 box, 1 box, 2 box, 3 box and 4 box. And this is 4 columns represented vertically. And you have our imaginary symbol also. And kitne row hone chahiye? 8 hai. Multiplier is 8. That is only 1. So only 1 row is there. This is the row. Okay. It is represented horizontally. And this is our imaginary symbol. Fine. Now we will give each number one box. Okay. So 1 is there, 3 is there, 5 is there, and 4 is there. And this 8 will also come here. Fine. 1 row and 4 columns. Clear with it? For 8, 1 and the top part, that is the orange section, is tens and the green section is ones. Fine. For 8 ones are, you have this box. For 8 threes are, you have second box. For 8 fives are, you have third box. For 8 fours are, you have fourth box. Clear? Now we will start with 8 ones are 8 and 8 in the ones place and 0 in the tens place. 8 threes are 24, 4 in the ones place, 2 in the tens place. 8 fives are 40, so 4 in the ones place, 0 in the ones place and 4 in the tens place. 8 fours are 32 and 2 in the ones place and 3 in the tens place. Fine. Now what you have to do? You have to do addition. Okay. See, likewise, you have to cut 8. So 8 then 0 plus 4 is 4, 2 plus 0 is 2, 4 plus 2 is 6, and then 3 is as 3. So my answer is 4531 multiplied by 8 is equal to 36,248. 36248. Fine. Now let's see the third example. I have taken it from the exercise 3.1 and it is 3D. Again we have 3563 multiplied by 7. That is, again we have 4-digit multiplicand by 1-digit multiplier. Okay. So we will have in the latest method of multiplication, we will have 4 boxes. As 4-digit multiplicand is there, no? 1 box, 2 box, 3 and 4. That is 4 columns we are having, vertical columns, and 1 row we are having because 7 is a single digit. Okay. Now we will have each number 1 box. So 3, 6, 5 and again 3, and 7 will be here. Okay. For the orange one, we have tens representation, and the green one is ones representation. Okay. And 7 multiplied by 3, we have this box. For 7 6 we have the second box. For 7 5 we have third box. For 7 3 we have fourth box. Okay. So we'll start with the multiplication. 7 3 21. So 1 in the ones place and 2 in the tens place. 7 6 42. 2 in the ones place. 4 in the tens place. 7 5 35. 3 in the 5 in the ones place and 3 in the tens place. Okay. And 7 3s are 21. So 1 is in the ones place. Green wala is ones, no? And the orange wala is tens. Fine. Now we will do addition. See, 1 plus nothing is 1. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 3 plus 1 is 4 and 2. So my answer is 3563 multiplied by 7 is 24,941. Fine. Now you're to funny time. And it's time to answer the riddle asked in the previous video. Batuk said that a rabbit saw 6 elephants while going to the river. So every elephant saw 2 monkeys going to the river, and every monkey has 1 parrot each. So how many of the animals went to the river? See, first see the question. What is asked? It's asked how many animals, only animals, went to the river. River ke paas kaun gaya? So let's see. A rabbit saw 6 elephants while going to the river. So rabbit is going to the river. He saw elephant or other rabbit or monkey or anything, but he saw that, and rabbit is going, only rabbit is going. Okay. And then every elephant saw 2 monkeys going to the river. So every elephant saw 2 monkeys going to the river. So monkeys are going to the river. Elephants are not going to the river. So 2 monkeys, fine, and 1 rabbit is there. And every monkey has 1 parrot. So parrots are also going to the river because monkey ke sar par baithe hai. So parrots are also going. So 2 parrots, 2 monkeys and 1 rabbit. Fine. And how many animals went to the river? So I can say that parrots are not animal. Parrots are birds. So I'll deduct parrots. So we have only 2 monkeys and 1 rabbit. So our answer is 3 animals going to the river. Okay. Students, I hope you are completing the exercise along with me. Today your homework is exercise number 3.1, third part, and exercise number 3.2. I hope you will complete it on time.